Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready to seriously level up your classroom because today we are diving into one of the most powerful tools you have, collaborative documents. We're going to show you how to completely transform the way you and your students create and learn together.
Okay, let's just be real for a second. We've all lived in the chaos of the old way, right? You're digging through emails looking for essay final v3 docx. Wait, no, was it essay final.docx? It's a total nightmare. But the new way? This is all about the live document. It's one single source of truth, a Google Doc, a Word doc online, doesn't matter, that everyone is in together at the same time. And this isn't just a little tweak. It is a total game changer for how work gets done.
So every single time you create a digital assignment, you are standing at a crossroads. You have to make a choice about how you want your students to interact with that document. And trust me, getting this one decision right is the secret to a smooth and successful lesson.
And really, that choice boils down to two simple ideas. Just ask yourself, is this a solo mission where every student needs their own space to work? Or is it a team-up where you want everyone collaborating together? Let's break down the game plan for each.
All right, first up, the solo mission. Think of this as your digital worksheet, an individual essay prompt, or a personal reflection journal. This is all about one student, one document.
So, for the solo mission, your number one goal is to protect your original master file. The absolute last thing you want is for a student to accidentally delete half the instructions from the template that the whole class needs. Your goal here is distribution, not collaboration.
And the key to making this happen is giving students read-only access. In the Google world, the magic setting is the viewer role. This means they can see it, they can read it, but they can't type on it. They are forced to go to File and make a copy to do their own work. And if you're in the Microsoft world, it's the same idea. You share a view-only link from OneDrive. Either way, the student gets their own fresh copy, and your original stays perfect and untouched. It's the ultimate digital safeguard.
Now here's where your learning management system becomes your best friend. In Google Classroom, you just choose Make a Copy for each student. That's it. It's like a magic digital copy machine that does all the work for you. And if you're using Microsoft Teams, it's just as easy. It automatically gives each student their own editable copy by default. Both systems get you to the same result. One student, one copy. Simple.
Okay, now for the really exciting part, the team up. This is where you unlock some incredible collaboration for group projects, class brainstorms, you name it. The goal here is to get everyone working together in the same digital sandbox.
And this right here is the magic I'm talking about. It's more than just being convenient. It's about building real-world skills. Your students can see each other's cursors moving, building off each other's ideas in real time. This is what active, dynamic learning looks like.
So, for the team up, our goal is the complete opposite of the solo mission. We don't want a bunch of individual copies floating around. No, we want one central hub, one single document where all the magic happens.
And the key that unlocks this collaborative power is the editor role. In Google, that's what it's called. Over in the Microsoft world, it's the Can Edit permission. Same thing. You are handing your students the digital pen, giving them full power to add, delete, and change anything. It's the ultimate sign of trust and collaboration.
So back in your LMS, this is just one click. In Google Classroom, you're going to look for the option that says Students can edit file. In Microsoft Teams, you'd pick the setting that lets everyone edit the one central file you attached. The name might be a little different, but the result is exactly the same. You're giving everyone a key to the same room.
Okay, here it is, your cheat sheet. And honestly, this logic works everywhere. Make a Copy is for the me work, essays, worksheets. Students can edit is for the we work, group projects, shared notes. Once you get this distinction, you've mastered 90% of digital assignments.
All right, so you've launched the group project. Everyone is piling into the document. How do you manage what can sometimes feel like creative chaos? Well, let's look at the power tools that are built right in.
These 4 things are about to become your best friends for any group project. You can see who's working where, you can assign tasks with comments, you can give feedback without deleting anything, and you have the ultimate safety net. And the best part? These tools are in both Google Docs and Microsoft Word Online.
Suggesting mode. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer for peer review. It's like giving every student a digital red pen. Their changes show up as suggestions that the original author can either accept or reject. In Microsoft Word, this exact same amazing feature is called Track Changes. Different name, same goal. Powerful feedback that respects the original author.
And let's talk about the power of the @ symbol.
This is so much more than a comment. It's an action item. When you type @ plus a student's name, you can assign them a task, and they get an email notification. It turns a simple discussion into clear, accountable action. And yep, it works pretty much the same in both Google and Word.
And finally, the one feature that will absolutely save you one day, version history. Just think of it as a time machine for your document. Did a student accidentally delete 3 paragraphs of work? No panic. Just open up version history, find the version from before the mistake, and restore it with one click. And yes, Microsoft has a robust version history for documents on OneDrive too. You always have a safety net.
Okay, we've talked through all the theory, but the only way this stuff really sticks is by doing it. It's time to build that muscle memory. Let's make this real.
So are you ready? Because we are going to do this right now. Not later, not tomorrow, right now. Together.
Here is your 60-second challenge. I want you to literally pause this and go do this. Open up Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, whatever you use. Create a brand new dummy assignment. Don't worry, you can delete it in a minute. Attach a blank doc. Then, find that little drop-down menu with the sharing options, and I want you to consciously click the one for a group project. Students can edit file. Just see how it feels.
Seriously, go try it. Taking 1 minute to physically do this right now will lock it into your brain forever. The next time you go to make a real assignment for your students, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just know exactly which tool to grab for the job, and you will be an absolute collaboration pro.